So it is currently 12:30 and we're about to go put some emblems and the new door handles on the Z. So let's go. God damn. Oh no. We gotta fix these door handles today, so yep, I gotta get rid of that. These things currently not working, so yeah. And we are also going to get new tires, pretty worn out. Right there. Oh god. Oh god. It's not really a cold start because I already turned it on. I got. Don't do that, guys. Heavy doors, huh? Yeah. So we are currently gonna film some drive-bys with the car. He's got his setup over there. We have this long road, fairly long road. Fairly long. You gotta be careful with the cars and stuff. But I'm just gonna drive by and he's just gonna film it. Yeah. So we currently finished doing some pulls. It wasn't the very best on the first pull because I kind of missed second gear. Go put some gas right now because we are in E, and that is not good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
My name is Fanny, bro. You guys shoot videos?
Yeah.
Like video, like music.
That's pretty dope. Dope. So we stopped at 44. Let's make it 45. Gotta make sure this thing doesn't come out, you know? Nah. Oh, it's going 45 for sure. Well, never mind. Never mind, it's not going 45. It stays at 44, yeah. I gotta get fixed today. Today. Oh. Wow, this camera weighs, dude.
Really?
God damn.
Yours weighs?
I can't imagine that, man. Alright, here you go. Woo! That gas went up, boy. So we have arrived to the spot. Oh my god. Let me show you guys the tire again. Look at that. Yummy. While I'm waiting for them to do their thing, I'm gonna show you guys my new the new handles I got. Alright, so there's these right here. I believe they were like 60 bucks for the two of them. Not sure. I wanted to get the Nissan emblem for the front, but it was a little too expensive, so I got the one that has a Z on it. I don't really know if I still like it, but they're alright. Oh yeah, agent. Hold up. I gotta fix this. Get my dog Adrian. Get my dog Adrian. You still on this? That's so dope. Ready? What the hell? What the hell is that? Oh yeah. Oh no. That's bad. Alright, so I'm currently doing the easiest thing on the Z, which is take this out and I'm gonna put in the new one. So right now I'm just taking this thing that they had on before off, and Alan is still working on the door handles. Just a little bit of a process. Just finished putting this one on, looks nice. But we have ran into a small problem. My bumper has. Did it work? Wait, I'll unlock it. Hold on. Alright, so I got these little things here, and this kind of does not really go there because it goes off. So I don't know what I'm gonna do there. It currently started to rain, so it's my turn. We're looking for a new location to install. We're having problems with the driver's side installments with the handle. So right now we're looking for shelter because it is raining a little too much. We have made it to the area, and right as soon as we got here, super sunny. But we're still trying to figure this out. It opened from the inside, but doesn't want to open from the outside, and it sounds a little weird electricity wise. 6 hours later, I'm playing like an hour and something, more than what it should have been. Was finally able to figure this stupid thing out. It was that little clippy that we're putting it on the wrong part, and we undid this handle like at least 10 times, probably more. Hold up. We undid this handle so many times, but we got it now. It was that little white part that we just put it in the wrong hole instead of, it was complicated, but now we're gonna fix the other one because we did it on, it works, but it's not the right way that's supposed to be put in. That took way too long, way too long. So basically we're putting in this like this, and it worked on this handle, so we thought, okay, that might be the way. But no, it had to be here, and this one, and then this clicks on top of that one. Very complicated, but we got it done. So now we are finally done with this. Thing works like a beauty. No more having to put that window down. Excited. You. 6 hours later, fellas. We are out of here, boy.